Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm sharing a little clip from an interview we did with Ronnie. He's a fellow YouTuber and Uber driver. All his links will be down below, but before we get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a company that gives you a tablet completely for free to put in the back of your car if you're an Uber or Lyft driver. Riders can play games on there, and in turn, you can get up to an extra $100 per month, so I definitely recommend getting one. If you are interested, we have a link down below for that, so be sure to check out Play Octopus. Anyways, let's get into the video.
So, what do you think are like some mistakes that drivers will make that will keep them from reaching their goals doing Uber?
Well, first and foremost, I think most drivers really don't have any goals. I think most people fail to use their greatest asset, which is their ability to think. If you don't set any goals, then you don't have a roadmap, and you don't have nothing, a destination that's going to pull you forward. So when you are driving, when times are getting hard, you have nothing that's going to keep you going, like nothing that you're striving for. So first and foremost, people fail to set goals, and as simple as that. Like when I first started driving, it's like I was making money, but I was constantly trying to figure out what did I want to do long term. So I'm going online, and I'm out here in the Bay Area, Silicon Valley. So all these tech nerds, they tell me about different resources where I can learn like how to program and stuff. So I thought about doing that, trying to like go like Code Academy, learn how to do Python and stuff. I'm like going to software meetups, and I'm just looking around like, damn, do I really want to be around these nerds? And I'm like, no. Then I was like, man, I want to make content. I like making videos. I think I'm hilarious and I have personality. And I've always been a charismatic person. So I was like, I'm gonna go with this. And just slowly but surely start taking the steps to like learn about like camera settings, learn about storytelling, um, and just starting and executing. I mean, it's not going to be like a smooth path. It's definitely ups and downs, but people don't set goals, and people give up way too early. Even if they do set goals, they just, oh, it's too hard, so I quit, and it was just too much work. I mean, that's fine, but I don't know. I'm never gonna give up. I'm just a determined person. So I would say, setting goals first and foremost. You have to set some goals, and you got to work on your disciplines, man. It's hard because it's all on you. So only you can determine, your path. So if you're not working hard, then it's easy to get behind on things, and you can only hold yourself accountable. Most people, they don't want to do that. They want to play the blame game. Ooh, look, Uber, like they don't give us enough money. They don't pay drivers. Even on my comments, I still get negative comments, but I don't care because most people, I know they never, for a fact that they never driven. The fact of the matter is they give you 12 hours a day. 12 times 7 is 84. So how many drivers are really driving 84 hours in a week? Not many. So figure it out.
The more you drive, the more money you should make. And then,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, I guess there's like tips and quests on top of that that can add to it. But yeah, I think a lot of people do struggle with just being disciplined and like kind of trying to set a routine for themselves because when you're basically like essentially self-employed in a way, there's no one to hold you accountable
Yep.
except for yourself.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's a fact. And you have to hold yourself accountable, and you just got to be as objective as possible. Like forget your ego, forget your feelings. Like only like did you try your best? And there's no point of you saying or pointing a finger. Everything is your fault. And that's how I approach life. Everything is my fault. The good, the bad is my fault. So, and I think most people have a better life by holding themselves accountable. And that's just how it is. Excuse me. Because the fact of the matter is nobody cares about your excuses. Like you could complain all day, but if you go on a date with a girl, but yeah, I drive Uber, the CEO, she gonna look. I don't give a fuck. Nobody cares. Fix your life. Fix your shit. So
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.